Nice voice. Fantastic voice. So let's vote, guys.
It's a yes for me.
It's a yes from me.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you on the next round. It's a yes from me.
Yes from me.
That's a yes for me.
Thank you. Come get your ticket and we'll see you at the next round. All right, you're welcome.
It's a yes for me.
It's a yes from me too. Thank you.
That's why I was in the building.
Grab your
man.
ticket.
Take your ticket.
See you in the next round, my dear.
Your dad did a good choice. He made a good choice. So we're gonna vote.
Yep.
It's a yes from me.
It's a yes from me.
Man, come and get your golden ticket, boy.
I'm really impressed.
Ticket, yeah,
Gotta collect your ticket, bro.
Thank you. Take the ticket. Take the ticket. Get out of here.
Ticket, Lolly, Joe. I believe you. I believe you.
It's a yes from me.
Yes from me.
Thank you.
I'll give you yes.
I'm gonna give you a yes. Okay. Come and take your golden ticket and we'll see you on the next level. Thank you.
It's a yes.
It's a yes from me.
It's a yes from me.
Man, let's see how far you can go. Come and get your golden ticket, man. Congratulations.
Just go, let me
Yeah.
just go.
Just come and take your gold ticket.
Man, keep singing, man.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
As in,
Francis
bro.
the Dada.
How much you brought it?
Nice voice.
That's a yes from me.
Thank you so much.
It's a yes from me.
Well done. It's a yes from me. Bye. You already know what I'm gonna say.
Yeah, so just...
Please, can I just give you a ticket? No. Wait. Let me do the honors.
Oh my lord.
You
Wow.
You're the first person to get this thing personal.
Wow. Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.